In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Instagram account with new features. Keeping Instagram up to date is the easiest way to unlock new tools, performance improvements, and bug fixes. I'll guide you through updating the app, making sure those features load correctly, switching to a professional account for even more options, and turning on automatic updates so you never miss anything. Start by opening the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Instagram and open the app's page. If you see an update button, tap it to download and install the latest version. If you only see open, that means you're already on the newest version. The download might take a moment depending on your connection, so give it a little time to complete. Once the update finishes, open Instagram to load the newest features. This first launch after an update helps the app apply changes in the background. For best results, it's recommended to close and reopen the app once more. That quick restart can resolve small glitches and ensures the new features appear and work properly. If you want access to even more tools, consider switching your account type to a professional account. From your profile, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu. Go to Settings, then Account, and select Switch to Professional Account. Choose a category, creator or business, and follow the on-screen prompts. A professional account gives you extras like insights and additional contact options, and you can customize it to fit how you use Instagram. To make sure you always have the latest version without thinking about it, enable automatic app updates on your device. On iPhone, go to Settings, then App Store, and toggle on App Updates. On Android, open the Google Play Store, go to Settings, tap Auto Update Apps, and choose the option that works best for you. If you're mindful of data usage, select Wi-Fi only so updates happen when you're connected to a wireless network. Following these steps keeps your Instagram updated with the latest features and enhancements so your experience stays smooth and secure. Regular updates also help ensure compatibility with new effects, messaging options, and creative tools that roll out over time. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.